Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is a boy Spanner. Try them know. This is another food challenge, self-food challenge with Spanner. I want to let you guys know that this fufu, this is minor 1, 2, 3, 4 fufu. I want to let you guys know that I'm going to finish this fufu within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, I'm going to finish this fufu. So, and if you know you are ready to challenge Spanner, drop your comments. Just drop your comment because I'm choosing right now. I'm choosing my fans that want to challenge me. If you are in for this game, drop your comments. I will pick you guys one by one. Okay? You can see what we have here is fufu. I come like December. You see the soup. This is not draw soup. Oh, it's not a regular. It's not draw soup. So it's not my regular. I want to let you guys know that I am good for any type of soup. Any type of soup. And if you are ready to challenge me, drop your comments. And don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like, comment. Drop your comments wherever you're coming from. I want to shock you guys that I can finish this fufu within 2 minutes. This is not draw soup. Why I said 2 minutes is because this is not draw soup. Okay, it's not our regular. But I will finish it within 2 minutes. And don't forget to drop your comments if you want to challenge me, Spanner. This is self-challenge. So, are you ready to watch this now? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready now? Game start! So guys, you can see the reason why I did not eat faster than this is because I am doing it alone. There is no fun of me doing it alone. But I'm just trying to use this to create awareness for those that I want to challenge me. You can drop your comments. Drop your comment if you want to challenge me, Spanner FD. Drop your comment and don't forget to like our page, follow our page, share the video. Okay? If you are in for this, if you know you can challenge me, and I talk always, if you know you can challenge me, drop your comment. Now me Spanner talk. Thank you. Chee.